This video presents the course planning mind map. Do you have a challenge with course design for your online or your in-class course? Use mind mapping techniques to plan your course, design your course, brainstorm course delivery, manage your lessons, and also develop a schedule for content creation. This is James Franklin of PM Mapping. The course mind map includes 5 subtopics: course planning, course design, course delivery, lessons, and content creation. Let's look at some of the content in each one of these subtopics. Course planning includes instructor information, course description, target audience, course relevance, course objectives, and course requirements. The planning subtopic is focused on planning your course. What's the objectives? What's the end result? What are the students going to get out of this course? Before you even start with course design, you first need to brainstorm using some of these subtopics. The course design subtopic includes content types, course tools, case studies, LMS structure, downloads, active learning strategies, textbook, cloud storage, website, references. Use this course design to brainstorm the key content for your course.